The Oso Sanitized process is a way of testing high touch points in any place of business. This means any company or facility using the Oso Sanitized branding has agreed to and completed initial testing and passed or developed a new way to clean and disinfect with continued testing of high touch points, all backed with instant results and reports. This is the same testing process used in hospitals on a scaled-down version for high traffic or behind-the-scenes locations like bathrooms, offices, kitchens, prep areas, and more. Be sure to check each company's listing to see what they are testing. To better define our process to consumers, we proudly require every company using the Oso Sanitized branding to include public areas first. This will include waiting rooms, food courts, public restrooms, customer service counters, or anywhere the general public is allowed to enter. Any company or facility that chooses to use the Oso Sanitized branding for non-public areas is listed with the employee icon. This is used for places like secure government buildings, secure call centers, or any place that does not have public access. Any company or facility that chooses to use the Oso Sanitized branding for kitchen and prep areas are listed with the food handling icon. This is used for places like food distribution centers, grocery stores, commercial or ghost kitchens, food trucks, etc.